In the competitive world of garment manufacturing, quality control is not just an option. It's a necessity. To deliver high-quality garments that meet customer expectations and industry standards, a comprehensive quality control system is essential. Here is some helpful information about quality control in garments. Fabric inspection. The journey of quality control begins with the inspection of raw materials, ensuring that fabrics meet the required specifications in terms of texture, color, and overall quality. Pattern grading and marker making. Precision in pattern grading and marker making is crucial for garment fit and fabric utilization. Quality control professionals verify the accuracy of patterns and ensure efficient fabric placement. Cutting accuracy. Each cut piece undergoes rigorous inspection to ensure accuracy, dimensions, and conformity to the approved patterns. Sewing process. Sewing operations are closely monitored to ensure proper stitch formation, seam strength, and adherence to design specifications. Finishing process. The final stage involves a thorough inspection of finished garments, ensuring they meet the highest standards of quality and presentation. Packaging and labeling. Packaging and labeling are essential for protecting garments during shipping and providing accurate product information to consumers. Quality control in garment manufacturing is a continuous process that involves every step from raw material inspection to final packaging. By implementing rigorous quality control measures, garment manufacturers can deliver consistently high-quality products that meet customer expectations and enhance brand reputation.